Discover Naples, a city where ancient esoteric traditions mix with modern misrepresentations, challenging conventional cultural narratives that obscure its true identity. This deep analysis reveals Naples' layered heritage, where pagan, Catholic, and indigenous voices blend, defying stereotypes imposed by popular folklore and distorted media portrayals. Critically, the essay unpacks Lombrosian pseudoscience's dark legacy, linking criminal atavism and violent stereotypes to the distortion of the Neapolitan identity. The narrative also scrutinizes how artistic expressions captured in noir and red tones mask a deeper crisis: the systematic degradation of the Neapolitan language. Despite UNESCO warnings, local institutions remain silent, neglecting the urgent call to safeguard Naples' unique linguistic and cultural heritage, as echoed by leading academicians. In conclusion, this exploration urges a critical reassessment of Neapolitan cultural narratives, inspiring collective action to preserve a legacy that is as timeless as it is vibrant.